Innovation One LLC, part of the Chickasaw Nation Industries Inc. family of companies, was established in February 2004. The company was purchased from Siemens, saving all the jobs and keeping the doors open in Marietta. The company has grown from 25 to 70 full-time employees and secured more than 30 contracts. They perform machining, forming, cutting, welding, powder coating, and assembly of metal and other materials to manufacture customers' products, with a primary focus in the commercial and competitive markets. They have positioned themselves to continue to expand their customer base and provide opportunities for their employees by investing in technology, equipment, and the right people. They believe true innovation begins with strong leadership, strategic vision, and talented employees.